Looking for estimate. Pass of Mr. Livio. Yes! 2 points brought to you by GPS Tracker of Mr. Jack Basaya and car for rent to Mr. Jack Basaya. Kunta ka lang si Richel Tingal. Inbound for Zamora. Pass of Mr. Livio again. Wala. Rebound for the tower. The big man come out. Pass of Seritas the scoring machine. Porbinto na naman, di kalit lagupad dahil pa sa gitna, Iskaro, wala. Big man pala is block. Block by Zamora. Napulis the big man na Baliwanay. Block by so Mr. Luce. Winning the ball, Porbinto. Offensive rebound for Mr. Porbinto. Stopping the ball for Rainbow Country. 2 points brought to you by Oops. Narciso Zamora. Foul. Blocking foul for Mr. Gamao, number 9. Warning for graduate Mr. Gamao.
Warning na. Charles, warning.
Inbound for Zamora. Napulis the big man. Sa ilalim. Livio. Binitawan perimeter. Shoot. Rebound for Balais the big man. Looking for his teammate. Balais.